Back to my channel. It is your girl Nisha, and I'm back with another video. This video is featuring a product that I already did a video on, but you know, I had to come back in and do a more in-depth type of video because the video that I did on this product, I didn't really talk much about it. I kind of did like a voiceover, and I'm like, yeah, you know, like the video is alright. So I thought that why not actually come in and fully show you guys the realness to this product, the greatness to this product. Like I just had to come in and just do an updated version to that. If you're wondering what product I'm talking about, it is the Avocado Mask by the NaturAll Club. No lie, this product is amazing. Like the freshness is great, the moisturization that leaves in your hair is great, it smells amazing, and this product is 100% natural. It's not messy. This is my second time receiving this pouch. The first one that I had lasted me for about, I think I got almost 3 uses out of that pack. My hair is more on the thinner side, so this product can last longer for me versus someone who might have thicker hair. Like 1 pack is good for them. I've been back from Jamaica, and the last week that I spent 2.5 weeks down there. The last couple of days I was down there, it rained, the weather was kind of crappy. I barely washed my hair. I kind of left it in a bun most of the time, so that just left my hair to feel dry. It wasn't moisturized, it just felt brittle, and honestly my hair felt damaged because when I came back to Canada and I decided to wash my hair the exact night that I flew back in, I was like, holy crap, like I neglected my hair for almost a week and my hair felt disgusting. Like it did not feel like how my hair usually feels. I honestly couldn't wait to come back and give it a nice deep condition, and to be exact, because my hair was dry, I couldn't wait to do the avocado deep conditioning. And this one that I have is for dry hair. So with their avocado treatment, they have 3 different kinds that you can choose from. They have for dull hair, for dry hair, and damaged hair. So you can kind of choose to see which one you want to go with depending on how your hair is feeling. I will leave all their information in the description box down below, and my discount code as well if you're interested in trying it out. Honestly guys, I'm not even lying to you guys, this is in my top 5, might even be in my top 3 to be honest. My hair right now is just a hot mess, definitely a hot mess. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm working with just to show you guys I ain't exaggerating to how amazing this product is. My hair is dry. Oh man, my hair is just so dry, and especially in the middle parts of my hair. My hair definitely needs some love right now. Not only that, my hair is super tangled right now, but I'm not even worried about that because I know this product is going to help me with my detangling process right now without me even going in the shower to wash it out. So let's jump right into this video. Okay, so right now we're going to be working in sections, you know, because it's always easier to work in sections. I don't even think I part my hair again. As you guys can see, my hair is super tangled right now. Like I can't even get my hand through my hair. Ugh. Not to mention this, because this is freshly made, you should keep it in the refrigerator, or you can keep it in the refrigerator, especially if you don't end up using the whole pack. You should get at least 1 or 2 use out of it, again depending how thick or thin your hair is. So that's another thing I like about this product. It's easy to store away. So you're supposed to actually damp your hair before you're using this product. So that's what I'm gonna do. This is not the bottle they give you, but mine is currently in use for something else. So this is the bottle I'm gonna be using. Product smells really good. It's really soft. The texture is super soft. It's very smooth as well, and it's also moisturizing, and that is because they do have oils in there as well. I'll read you guys some of the ingredients that they have. There's avocado, water obviously, coconut oil, shea butter, lavender essential oil, extra virgin olive oil, citric acid, vitamin E. Check the description box down below because I'm gonna further add more ingredients and what they do or how beneficial they are to your hair. So definitely check out the description box. So this is the product that I'm using in one section. I start off with about this much. It's very soft and very smooth. Very, very smooth. when you're applying it to your hair, it feels so smooth. So I showed you guys how tangled my hair was. When you apply it to your hair, make sure you're starting from your roots to your ends, and make sure you're always getting your ends as well. When you're applying this product to your hair, it's so smooth and it helps with your detangling process. So if you're thinking like, oh my god, my hair is too tangled for me to apply this to your hair, honestly, you have nothing to worry about, because the slip in this product is amazing. Like, it is so smooth and just so slippery. Like, it feels like you're applying some kind of satinness to your hair. I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm just gonna add a little more. Like before, I couldn't even get my hair past about right here. As I'm putting the product in, I'm kind of raking my knots down. Magic, okay? So easy. So once I'm finished applying this to my hair, the next step is to apply a shower cap over your hair, 20 to 45 minutes, and I'll show you guys the result of my hair without adding any product in it. So I'm gonna go refrigerate the rest of this because I still have about one more use out of this. I basically used like half of the pat. So I'm gonna go refrigerate the rest of that, and I'll see you guys when I wash this out of my hair. So y'all, here is the final result to my hair. My hair looks and feels so moisturized, so much shine. I didn't have to add no oil. I made sure that I came on showing you guys how my hair looked without adding any product. This is just me straight washing out the deep conditioner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video.